Yes, we can!
Clean up day! Circulating!
Snore, a bouncy, celebration floor. Big happy day off!
Hey dear friends, come along today. Teddy wants to laugh and play.
Clap your hands and stomp your feet. We've got something fun to meet.
Toys are out, oh what a sight. Colors shining big and bright.
But wait a second, what do we see? A messy room for you and me.
Come join Teddy, sing and play. We'll clean it up the fun way. One bright morning, Teddy woke up and stretched his soft arms. Today is play day! Free code!
Teddy brought out all his favorite toys.
Toy cars,
Building blocks.
plush friends, and crayons.
Soon his room was full of fun and a big mess.
Blocks were on the floor, cars were under the chair, crayons rolled everywhere.
Teddy looked around and said,
Uh-oh, where did my clean room go?
just then, Teddy's friend Bunny hopped in.
Hi, Teddy! Qué alegría! Bunny has felices. Teddy smile, mostra triste y sorprendida.
I do, but it's so messy.
Bunny said gently,
No worries.
vamos a probar. Let's clean together. Cleaning can be fun. Teddy blinked. Fun? Really?
Of course,
Bunny laughed. Let's sing while we clean.
it's a sunny day. Hooray, hooray. Teddy wants to laugh and play.
Blocks and cars all over the floor.
So many toys to explore.
Play, play all day long. Teddy sings a happy song.
Build it high, crash it down.
Toys are scattered all around. Uh-oh, what do we see? A messy room for you and me.
Where's the floor? Where's the chair?
Toys and crayons everywhere. Hi, Teddy, let's clean today.
But I just want to play.
Cleaning can be fun. You'll see on wheels. Come along and so fast.
Desert sands, he's having a blast.
Let's all
Through the
play.
city, beep beep he goes. Whiskers waves, his confidence grows. Green fields so wide, butterflies fly. Whiskers meows, he's reaching the sky. Rain falls down, splash,
stay sleepy instead. Pillow! Pillow, go stay here all day. No way, Pillow, I want to play. Pillow, soft and fluffy too. The morning adventure is waiting for you. Wake up, clap your hands. Stamp your feet and join the band. Smile so big, shout hooray! It's a super happy morning day. The toothbrush wiggles and starts to sing. Brush, 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 let's do our thing. The soap says splash, the water says whee! Everyone's dancing happily. Sweat scrooge! Don't forget your teeth today. Okay, I'll brush away. Toothbrush, make them sparkle, make them bright. Shining smiles are my delight. Wake up, clap your hands. Stamp your feet and join the band. Smile so big, shout hooray! It's a super happy morning day. The breakfast pancake flips so high, it nearly reaches the blue sky. The banana laughs, I'm slippery, see. The apple says, come and eat with me. Don't let me slide away. Healthy snacks save the day. You both are funny and sweet. Then let's dance before we eat. Wiggle left, wiggle right. Hop like a bunny with all your might. Spin around and touch your nose. Now freeze like a statue. There it goes.
Stars in the nighttime sky, they shimmer,
Wake up, clap your hands.
let's now know.
Stamp your feet
And light
and
from
join
far
the
away,
band.
they shine all night,
And
not
sing
just
and
by
jump all
day, but
day.
when we look, they
It's a
seem so
super
sweet.
happy
What's the reason?
morning
What do you
day.
think?
Good morning,
Twinkle, little light,
hip,
dancing through the sky
Let's
so
have
bright.
fun
Wiggle
the
your hair,
whole long
makes you
day.
sway. That's why you twinkle every day. The air above us loves to spin. Warm air out and cold air in. It bends the light
Teddy
from
bear
every
and
star,
kitty cat
making them
wearing
twinkle
a
from
little
afar.
funny hat. Hop, hop, jump around, dancing softly on the ground.
Meow, meow, kitty cat. Clap your paws and tip your hat. Teddy bear says, come and play. Let's have fun the whole bright day.
It's refraction, that's the name. Science fun is not a game.
Kitty cat sees butterflies, colorful friends in sunny skies. Teddy bear waves hello there, floating kites are everywhere.
Meow, meow, kitty cat. Clap your paws and tip your hat. Teddy bear says, come and play. Let's have fun the whole bright day.
Science fun is not a game. Next time you see a star, all dance.
Red balloon and yellow ball. Teddy and Kitty roll them all. Round and round they laugh and sing. Happy sounds of joy they bring.
Spin around and touch your toes, wiggle ears and touch your nose. 1, 2, 3, then count to 4. Let's dance together even more.
Meow, meow, kitty cat. Clap your paws and tip your hat. Teddy bear says, come and play. Let's have fun the whole bright day.
Moon appears up in the sky, little stars are twinkling high. Teddy bear and kitty cat wave goodnight and tip their hat.
Meow, meow, kitty cat. Clap your paws and tip your hat. Teddy bear says, sleep so tight. Sweet dreams to all.